Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on? Thanks for watching. I want to talk about a part of real estate investing that is very frustrating for a lot of foreign national investors, and that is investing in the United States as a foreign national. And we've talked about this on the channel before, but as a foreign national investing in the United States, a non-U.S. citizen that doesn't have a United States credit score, doesn't have a United States tax return, it's difficult to get financing. Now, the good thing is we have a ton of foreign national clients, and they've been very, very successful. There just are some different rules. There's a different rule set. So with financing, because as a foreign national, you don't have the criteria and the background of tax returns and a credit score and a FICO score and any kind of financial history in the United States that they can verify and validate, what ends up happening is they view you as a little bit of a higher risk. And when they view you as a little bit of a higher risk, what ends up happening is they need to limit their risk in some way. And the way that lenders do that is by saying, okay, instead of us giving you a 75% loan to value or a 70% loan to value, they drop it. So sometimes for foreign national investors, it might be 70% loan to value if you have a lot of cash in USD. Or they might say, you're too big of a risk. We need you to put down 35% versus a standard 20% down payment for a U.S. national, where you might have to put down 35%. So it's a situation where, can you do it? Absolutely. We do it every single day, okay, where as a foreign national investing in the United States without a social security number, as long as you have your tax identification number, your ITN, you have your LLC that's based in the United States, and you've gone through the correct channels to set that stuff up, and of course you have the right team in the United States, you can absolutely do this. You can buy turnkey units. You can buy units with cash and do the Burr method. You can do hard money lending and do construction projects with lending, and we can help you do that. But you just have to put more money down. And that's the only way you're going to do this. It's the only way you're going to be able to do it. And the more that you are able to do with lenders in the United States, the more you're able to prove yourself as a good quality lendee. Some of those restrictions may come off. They might give you better loan to value percentages. They might give you more incentives. They might drop rates and fees, which they also might hike up a little bit because, again, they're taking on more risk. If you go belly up on the property and they take it, it's very hard to do anything to a foreign national if they're in a different country legally. So there's not a lot that these lenders can hold on to in a worst case scenario for them. Now, don't let that scare you, because foreign national investors have done amazing. I have some clients who have never stepped foot in the United States who have dozens of properties who are absolutely kicking butt. So it's absolutely a way to do this. It's just a little bit more challenging. There's some extra steps, but it's something that we're very, very familiar with. It's something we'd love to help you out with. If you want to get involved in that, drop me a message. My information's in the description below. If you have questions, comments, leave them for me. But don't let it deter you, because this is an amazing asset class to get involved in, especially when we're talking about low entry costs, where you're not spending hundreds and hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars investing in some of the cities across the country. This is available. It's doable. It's possible. You just have to do it with the right team. You got to do it with the right lenders. You got to do it with the right people. And if you have all that stuff lined up, if you have those people in place, you don't have to be here. But you need to know how much money you need, because foreign nationals need more capital, because they have to put more capital into these deals, because the bank will not put up as much money as they will for United States nationals. And guys, please, if you have questions on that, drop them below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.